Hi, my name is Juan Dia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I'm crazy about all things digital. That's social, mobile, name it. You can find out more about me at www.wandia.info. Today I want to talk about how to create a custom look on Facebook. The new Facebook cover on Timeline gives us a really unique opportunity to create something cool and brand ourselves. You could create something funny, inspiring, or something that uniquely tells your story. The dimensions for the Facebook cover are 850 by 320. And you can use really cool programs like Pages if you have a Mac, because you can just easily drag and drop images into your Facebook cover and then resize it to make sure it's that 850 by 320. That's what I use to create my Facebook timeline cover. I just simply dropped in some pictures that I had. I put in my website, www.wandia.info, as well as letting people know that they can find me on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TED.com, where I did a presentation a few years ago. I also used some pictures that I loved from that had been taken several years ago. This picture here was from my commencement address in 2005. I used a really cool picture because it symbolizes peace, and I'm really excited and passionate about stuff that are about peace and reconciliation and promoting peace and reconciliation around the world. This picture here is my actual Facebook image or profile picture, and as you can see, it juts into my Facebook timeline. So you kind of want to keep that in mind. Keep the images that you use maybe closer to the top so that that picture blends in with your 850 by 320 image. I hope that tip was helpful. If you want to find out more, you can reach me at www.wandia.info.